Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. How are you? Happy Saturday to you. Hope you're having a good day. Today's video is what is passive income and how to create it. How to create that elusive passive income. Down below, I've got a list of 9 ways to do it. What's interesting as I was compiling this list, it's sort of interesting. It's going through and it's like a lot of them kind of rotate around the same thing, and that is sales. It all comes down to a different function or a different part of the sales process, but it all comes down to sales because that's where money is made. Something has to be sold in order for some sort of money to be generated. Even if you're doing labor, you're still selling your time, you're selling your muscle, your labor, your brain, whatever it is, right? So, hey, if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm always bringing out cool stuff. I actually just did a brand new blog post. I'll put a link below. I put some really killer bonuses on a new program that's out there. I've been talking about it for the last few days. If you're on my list, you've probably seen a bunch of emails about it. Go get it. Go get it. I added some bonuses. It's really great. I went through it yesterday and I've already got my lead emails going out, and we'll just see how it goes. It was so easy to set up and it's all automatic, and when the lead it's pretty cool. And I'm not using my autoresponder. It's not going out to you, it's not going out to my list. It's actually going out to local businesses for our local business, our local website business thing that we have going on. And just another thing, it's kind of like an agency thing. I recommend, if you haven't had success online, I recommend looking at getting into something where you have while you're building. So if it's so hard to explain to people because you have to have an entrepreneurial mind, and if you don't, you're gonna have a really hard time, because the ideas that an entrepreneurial mind has is, we look at so many things. We're constantly looking at things and how to turn that into a an income stream, right? That's what we look at. We look at what do we need to do to turn that into an income stream. Where people that don't have an entrepreneurial mind, and it's not like it's great or bad or whatever. Like sometimes I wish I didn't. Sometimes I'd love to just not have this, like, constantly think about it. But that's the way I am. I've always been that way. So it's just, the way it is. You look at things differently, so you're always looking at different ways to make money. And sometimes you look at some way you think that you're going to make money in one way, and all of a sudden you make money in a different way. It falls into your lap because you're exploring all these things. And that's when entrepreneurs turn over rocks. They keep turning over rocks constantly. They're always looking for different ways to do things, different things to get into, and they like to build things. That's the whole thing. They like to build. The hardest thing for an entrepreneur to do is to maintain something, because they get bored. Their mind is like, it's the process, it's the building of something, right? It's the creation of something that drives them. That's what their drive is. It's not always, yes, at first it's the money, like they're driven by money, but really they're driven by just the process of building stuff, because and getting something to a point where it becomes an income stream. And that's why they have so much success. You look at entrepreneurs, right? You look at so many entrepreneurs, they have income streams from all over the place, because they've stuck their nose in here, and they've stuck their nose in there, and they've stuck their nose in there, and they did a little bit of work here, and they did like 6 months or a year work here, and now that stream just continues to pay them, right? Like, for example, on the list, dividends and investments, right? Like I have stuff that I bought years ago. Does it pay me a lot? No, but it still pays me. It's still a recurring income. Guys, I used to be a musician. I still get royalty checks from songs I wrote over 25 years ago, right? That's a recurring income. Um, so you have to think about, what are you going to do? And if your brain doesn't think that way, then you're really going to have a hard time building a business online, because things are always changing online. It's not like if you want to go into dentistry, yes, things change, but they move much slower. Like the dentistry industry will kind of shift in your probably your 20-year career, or maybe your 30-year career as a dentist, right? Whatever it is. Whereas is an online business, it can shift in 36 months, 24 months, right? All of a sudden you're like, it's the biggest thing, Snapchat is the biggest thing, TikTok is the biggest thing. It's like, what happened, right? So you have to be flexible. So let's go through this list and let's just sort of talk about some of these things. And I'm going to leave number 2 out till the end because that's my favorite. And why I'm going to leave it there, because a lot of them have an element of it, and that's affiliate marketing. So number 1, dividends, of course, stocks. If you can put away 20, 40, $100 a week or a month, whatever it is, just start doing some investing. That's a great way to make passive income. Display ads. So let's say you have a website that for your business, and you draw a lot of traffic to your website. Well, you would put display ads. You could sell a space on your website for I wouldn't put your competition there, but a congruent business, a vertical business to yours. If you don't know what that means, go figure out, go Google what vertical business is. But you could have an alliance, and you could put an ad there and charge someone for it, like so, that kind of thing. CPC ads. So these are cost per click ads. So this is a way where basically same thing, like you basically drive someone to a link to click, right? So what you would do is you would set up a whole bunch of I don't know if you could do paid ads or whatever. You just make a bunch of landing pages, and what you do is you prompt people to click through, and you get paid just for the click, right? So like downloading a toolbar or something like that, or just going to a certain site, because so the really big companies know that if they get so many people landing on that page, it will convert to a sale, and they know what they can pay for a person landing on that page. Just click per cost, or cost per click. There's pay per click. There's a ton of ways to do it. You can sell leads. So let's say you have a website that's really generating a ton of stuff. You probably, if you're not a huge blogger, you probably don't. But there's another thing of selling leads. You can actually go and participate in solo ad companies. You can become a solo ad seller, and you just kind of use a third party. So you don't actually build the list. You're just an in between person for a third party. You can do course sales. So you can sell courses, right? You can make a course in something that you're interested in. I talked about this in an earlier video. You know how to do something, make a course. Create a digital product, same thing. So you could do either a product. So let's say you need something, I don't know, a software that does something, right? Like a software that does a video like this. Well, you could create a digital product, and maybe you come up with an idea. It's like, oh, I want to do this thing, but I want it to be online. So you go hire some developers, and you pay the money for them to develop this tool, and then you go sell it, right? You sell it over and over, and that's your passive income stream, right? Once your development costs are paid for, what's coming in after that is basically passive income. YouTube ads. You work on your YouTube channel, get it up to till you can monetize it, and then you just continue making videos. And a passive income stream would be those ads that they put before or during your video. If your video is over 10 minutes, I think that they allow you. That's what I'm working on, guys. So subscribe so I can get to 1,000. And number 9, and this is actually a really good one, a digital marketing agency. And why? And you go, well, wait, Glenn, how is that passive income? Aha. So the goal in a digital marketing agency, see, you can actually give away these days. You can give away websites, and I'll actually it's in my blog, but I'll put a link for it. There's software out there that's very inexpensive that has done for you sites, right? So basically, you go get a lead, right? And I can show you exactly how to do that. There's actually a software that just launched, Lead Factory, you probably talked about earlier. Shows you from start to finish how to get these local leads. Then you say, so you find them online. You send them the automated sales information, the landing page for the sales, everything like that. They contact you, and then they go, yeah, we'll take a website. So you could do this. You could say, well, we'll build you the website for a nominal fee, or even free. We do a free websites for you, and they're done for your website, content included, but we charge $100 a month for maintenance and for hosting. Is that okay with you? $100 a month, right? So you could have sold them into a $500 website or $1,000 website, And in 10 months, well, you would get paid all at once, but then there's no money, there's no revenue coming in until they come back to you. Instead, you want to get them into a recurring, sell them a recurring product, right? This is the trick. This is where passive income comes in. And this is why I love affiliate marketing. Going back to number 2, what do you want to, what kind of affiliate marketing you want to do? Well, there's tons out there, right? There's and what's interesting is that affiliate marketers sell all of those things on the list, right? You could be an affiliate marketer for all of those things. You could be affiliate marketer for a financial institute. You could just sell leads to them, drive leads to them, right? You could, for display ads, you could be an affiliate for advertising, right? For like it's all affiliate sales stuff. So why is it, and there's 2 ways to do affiliate marketing, right? So there's where you sell a one-off, where you just sell a product. And when I first got into affiliate marketing, that's kind of what I thought it was. It was just more one-off stuff. And as affiliate marketing has sort of matured, although it's been around forever, online affiliate marketing has really matured into these subscription based things. And if you notice, like even iTunes went to a subscription base, right? Recurring revenue. You do the work once and you get recurring revenue, and then maybe you have to do an update, so you do the work again, another chunk of work, and then you continue to have recurring revenue. You get something, you get a tool into someone's hand that becomes a necessity for their business, then that recurring income can last for years and years and years, right? For example, I talk about a lot. It's almost 10 years now, or 8 years, that I referred a bunch of credit card processing to a bunch of different companies. I get paid every single month, guys. And it's a good amount of money every single month comes in from people, businesses. I said, hey, you should use this credit card company, right? Hey, business, you should use this credit card company. Hey, business, you should use this credit card company. And that credit card company pays me a very small amount, but that small amount adds up. So, and it's hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single month. So, and it goes on, and that's purely passive income for years, guys. It's been going on for years. So so affiliate marketing, you find a good tool, and that's why my number one recommendation is that it's a sticky program. It has tons to sell. It teaches so much, and it just basically it is so good for getting into the affiliate marketing thing and getting into a passive income stream. But guys, pick something on the list that you like. And affiliate marketing, it's massive. It can be anything. You can be an Amazon salesperson, although physical products to me don't excite me because there's not much money in it and it's not recurring, right? So you want to find a membership site, a software that they need to use, that they pay a subscription for. For example, Clickfunnels is a great one. If you want, in my resources down below, there's a 14-day Clickfunnels trial. There's also some Clickfunnels funnels that you could use, that you can import right into your Clickfunnels and use them. And then there's also, in some of the Click bank stuff, if you want to sell that stuff, a lot of that has some recurring residual income, passive income stuff there. Also, JVZoo now, a lot of the makers of software are making a either like a single unit, like they'll sell a unit and then they'll upsell you into a pro unit of that, and then they'll upsell you into a monthly subscription that's going to continue to give you more stuff for whatever program you buy. And that's where that passive income continues to grow, that recurring income. Makes sense. So that's it, guys. So super cool passive income and how to create it. Now, if you stuck around till the end, if you go over and grab the I'm gonna go check out my review for Lead Factory. Please leave a comment or a like or something over there and share it. And if you do pick up Lead Factory through my link there, I do have 5 really cool bonuses. But what I will throw in there is, as I will do a 1-hour strategy session with you to implement doing the Lead Factory, like going through, because I've just gone through and set it all up, and I can definitely. Like they've got amazing. They're gonna have amazing support anyways. Tom and Nick who sell it, and Brian who sell it. But also, if you want some one-on-one strategy sessions, planning or whatever, just I'm going to give my time. Depends on how many people buy it, of course. So if you grab it, no, I'll honor it. Just we'll make some time, and we'll get on, and we'll figure out exactly what you do, because there's some stuff that we've there's some mistakes that we've made, and how we've corrected them is really great. So and it's always a learning curve, guys. It's always learning. So what better way to do? Yes, go make mistakes, but also find someone that's just a few steps ahead of you and say, hey, what mistake did you make that I'm about to make that I don't want to make, right? Or go, maybe it'll be a beautiful mistake, and it'll be like, oh, I made a beautiful mistake, but it actually really worked out because I zigged instead of zagged when you zagged, that kind of thing. So anyways, that's what I have for you guys. So make sure you take me up on it. Hit the notification, hit the bell, hit subscribe. Love you guys. Love all the new subscribers on here. It's nice seeing them it grow every single day. I get the notifications from YouTube saying, hey, you got a new subscriber. I'm like, woo. So that's awesome. But definitely comment and definitely say hey. And I hope that these videos that I'm bringing to you are very valuable. Check out our all our new websites at Small Biz Marketing Pro. From there, you can see our directory sites we're doing. We've got social media agency going now. We're just about to launch an SEO agency there. And guys, that stuff is all built on third-party software that we basically set up for the client. So we're the middleman. So we basically get the client using the lead factory, right? we get the client. We are the middleman. We set up the third-party application for them. We basically monitor it for them, and we get paid a commission from them, and we get paid a recurring fee from the client. So we kind of wedge ourselves in, right? This is like it's being the middleman, being the bridge. We are the bridge between this person that needs it and this software that needs this person, but this person doesn't know this person exists, and that's where you're the middleman. You bring it in, and that's how you make tons of passive income. And we have parties, and we have all that stuff. Hey, wait, I'll do a sound effect. I just found this the other day. Did you know if you're using Ecamm, I have a link for it in my resources page on Work with Glenn Murray. But it's, of course, it's a residual. It's an income. It's a one-off. It's an affiliate program. But listen, hopefully this isn't too loud. Have a great night. Bye.